Hello everyone, it's John from UNG. Now in market, it has a new machine called Emsculpting. It's very popular in market. This machine is for Emsculpting, lose weight and build muscle. Now we have two terms for this machine about the vertical and the portable one. Because we need to match different client, so the two machines is different weight. This machine, as you see, is the vertical one. Another one is at our production line. So if you want to see real machine, we can send you short video about two times. This machine we already sell 3 months, and each month we had sell in market about 150 size. So we have full confidence you will this machine will help you to make more money. And now maybe some clients will ask what's the difference about our machine with the original brand. For our machine, it has two working hands. That means we can control two working hands at the same time. So when we open this machine, the two working hands will be work at the same time. But maybe the original brand, it has one control. It can control one handle. So that means this machine is more fast for treatment. And also for this machine, now price is very better than the original brand. I have clients from Italy and from American. They resell this machine in market about $10,000, over the $10,000. But now we only sell this machine $2,900. So you can imagine how is the popular and how to make money in market. So at a beauty center and the distributor, this machine both are best choice in this year. And the technology is also listed in market. Today we have a client ask what's the difference about Vela shape and Emsculpting. That's different technology. The Vela shape is for lose weight and body contour and wrinkle removal. So, but it can't do build muscle. So this machine also can suitable for at gym. And also the technology is used electromagnetic in market. It can make our muscle after one treatment. It will be increase about 16%. Here you can see is our design of the different angle. Here is the behind of the machine. As you see, for the screen is also bigger than before, so it's very easy to operation. Some clients will ask when we treatment if we need to put the gel on the skin, but that's why this machine is very convenient to operate. It's no need any gel and any oil on our skin. Before we treatment, we just put this working hand on the skin. It will be start treatment, and for one treatment time about 30 minutes. And another is for the energy. For the energy of the machine, this one is 7 Tesla. Yeah, 7 energy. And some clients will ask, maybe the original brand only has 2.5, but now we already adjust to 7, because after our test, the human safety parameter is 8, so we adjust to 7 is best. It's best treatment for the energy. Another is, but when we treatment, you don't need adjust too high. Maybe it will be more difficult, and maybe the clients will feel a little a little painful when we treatment if we adjust too high. Now I can let you see the behind of the machine. First, we can see it has two fans. It has two fans. So these fans can make the machine more cooling, and the working about 48 hours is no problem. And here is the plug. Here is match the plug. For this one, we have 220 wattage and 110 wattage for different country. So please don't worry if you are from UK and Italy, European, or Singapore. You can use 220. But if you are from American and some other country, you can use 110 wattage. So it's different. It has different options for your choice. Before we treatment, we need to put the 1 liter water inside of the machine. It has the water tank of inside. So from this part, from this inlet, we can use the tools to make it water. And then when the water tank is full, it will be come out from this outlet. Then after one treatment, you need to add the second time, because when the water tank is full, it has the water will go to the working handle. So it will be water tank inside. So we can need to add the second time. After second time, we can start use as usual. But after 1 month, you can check the water and change it again. Then I will turn on this machine to see the software. The advantage is, as we know, the Spanish is also the most big country in market for the beauty. So we have different language for choose, such as Spanish and English and Chinese for your choice. But if you have special demand, we also can recommend to you and to change it for free. So now I can turn on this machine to see the software. It has the air switch behind of the machine. So press here, and then the machine will be open. After 3 seconds, it has the password. The password we put 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for 60. And you can see it has 2 model for automatic and manual model. For the automatic, it will suitable for the normal person. But for the manual model, you can use maybe some clients who are very fat and who want to see the treatment effective. So you can use the manual. Here, I will see the automatic female and male for choice, and here is the age range for the different area for the treatment, abdomen and arms, legs, and other parts. For the arms and the legs, you can see we already update the software from high, middle, and light for different energy. So you can adjust from here to choose the energy. It's okay. For different energy, and for this part, it's also for 3 levels for energy. This is high, middle, and light. If the client want to the warmth treatment, you can use the light. But if they want if you want to the best effective, you can choose the high intensity to treatment. Then here only has 2 energy you can adjust. This is for energy about the percent. Now it's 20. You can start treatment from 20%. Here is the 20%, but last week I did the treatment for 80% for this one. So it's very strong and powerful. If you want to try it, you can adjust 80%. And here the treatment time is for the 30 minutes. For the 30 minutes is the max treatment time. But if you want to treat arm and legs, only need 20 minutes will be enough. Here is the press here. The machine will be start working. So you can see the voice from the inside of the machine, and it has two treatment model. One is the warm up. Before is the warm up, and then is sports model, and then is relax. So it has three models. So that's why for the treatment is equal to you did the 2000 workouts. So after one treatment, you will see the effective. But you need to adjust higher parameter, about 80%. Here is the manual. For the manual treatment, if the client not very fat and normal person, he just want body slimming and a little effective and a little treatment, you can choose this. And for the frequency and energy, about the max is 100, but you don't need too high. Also for 80%. The hertz for this one is the warm up. For this one is sport size, and for this one is the relax. Yeah, for the relax model. So it have the circle when you treatment. Here is also the treatment time. So the operation is very easy. Just adjust the parameter will be okay. But I know maybe you are first use. Some question is your concerns, such as if it is painful. For this machine, it's more safety and not painful feeling when you treatment. Just can feel the muscle is active when you treatment. So it's suited for all of the person who can stand the painful or not. This machine always can help you. And then is how to adjust suitable energy for the different parts of the body. We have the chart can send it to you after you bought this machine. So we can send you user manual, and also we have the built-ins can teach you online. We also have live show about each week. So if you need, we can organize online training for you. And another is for the energy, how to make it more effective. So the best energy is 80%, and the 21 hertz will be enough. And then for this machine, we already sell many times. So I can see one video to you about our production line. after the video, as you see, so please don't worry about our production line and the treatment. And for this machine, that we really recommend to you both in this year, because we have the distributor and beauticians buy it at beauty center. For one treatment charge about 1,000. So after 3 to 4 times, you can recover the price. You can see here is the Emsculpting cost. Emsculpting cost at the beauty center. So for abandon, it need 1,000 about 4 seasons, and also the leg is for 500. This one for your reference if you want to make the money at the beauty center. And also for if you are from American, this level of the charge can recommend to you is about 1,000 in different country. In New York and different country, maybe the cost will be high. And for this one, we can sell about 2,900. So after 4 times, you will start to make money. And and also about the treatment, about if you are distributor, I suggest you buy 10 size at the same time. As I know, for Singapore, I have a client bought 10 size, so we can help you to promote it and send you a poster for free. Then add your logo to help you open this market. But maybe 1% they can sell about 7,000 will be enough, and it's also more cheaper about the original brand. So this one is more high cost effective. And we also can receive the different feedback for the country. You can see, I will show you the treatment effective for this part. This one is after 40 minutes. About 1 time, but the client also did the sports at the gym every day, so it's the muscle group is better, so the treatment effective will be better. And here is a different client at beauty center, so you can see the vertical one is more popular in market. And for this one is after 3 size, after 3 times. Yeah, after 3 times. This is one treatment, first time, and this is second time. And for this one is the last treatment. Only need 3 times. It will be have the muscle inside, muscle at the treatment treatment part. But for the treatment time, we can suggest you about 2 weeks. 2 weeks for 1 time. So you need 45 days for 3 times will be enough about 1 treatment. So I have full convenience. Your clients will like it, and to bring more profits at beauty center. About this machine, we have the certification for the CE, and if you need, we can send by email to you. And then also for the training, maybe some client institutions, they need the training certification for clients. You can send us the name and full name and the details of address and beauty center name, so they can make the training certification to you. And also for this machine, we can see the inside for the inside of the machine is very strong. So that's why, that's why we have, that's why we said this machine is good quality. Sorry, wait a moment, I will find it. For this one, for this part, you can see it is our inner of the machine. For the inner part, it has two powerful line from this inside of the machine. So the first level is the water tank, and the second is for the power part. So it's more suitable for long treatment. Transportation. So you can see it's very stable. It has two these parts inside, and also let us see the water. Let us see the water tank. For the water tank is about 1 liters. So so you can see this part. You can see this part. This one. This one is our water tank. Here, this part is we need to add the water from here, and for this is this part can make the water more cooling. So after you use this one, you can add the water from here, and and it has 2 fans inside. This is a compare about our machine with the other tank. So you can see the power line and the board, the machine board. So it's the big difference for 2 machines. So this machine, maybe clients will ask why our price is expensive than others. So you can see the inside is really difficult, but it's really different for the machine. And and we have for this one, we also can provide 2 years for the warranty and 6 months for the spare of the machine. So after you receive it, please check the energy and the parts. We will send 1 user manual and 2 working hand on it. And last is for November and December months, we also have the prepare for the portable one. Is the energy is same, but the portable one is more smaller. So if you want to save shipping cost, and if you want to use at a small spot and small and at home, you can choose the small one. So please don't worry about the quality, and we already show you the inside of the part. We also have fuse to the